Good morning, 10th class children. Yesterday we finished surface areas of combined solids of exercise 10.2. Today we are starting this 10.3 exercise. It is given in page number 264. Page 264. Page 264. Combination of two solids, volumes of this exercise, volume of combination of solids, combination of solids. Now read the problem twice, thrice, and draw the diagram and label the measurements, dimensions. An iron pillar consists of a cylinder portion, 2.8 meter height, 20 centimeter diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeters height surmounting it. The cone is surmounting on the cylinder. Diameter given 20 centimeter, height given height 2.8 meters, height 2.8 meters, and the R is equal to B given 20 centimeter and R is 10 centimeter. On this, a cone is surmounted. A cone, combination of this, a cone of height given, cone height, yes, height. Height of the cone 42 centimeters. H is equal to 42 centimeters. We have to find the volume of the pillar. Iron weighs 1 gram. Density of iron is 7.5 grams per cm cube. We have to find the weight of the pillar, weight of the solid. Yes. Now this is nothing but this pillar was combination of two cylinder and cone. So volume of the pillar is equal to volume of iron pillar given is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cone. Volume of the cylinder formula pi r squared h. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Taking pi r square common, here what h remains, here 1/3. This is this is h1, this is h2. Here h are different. H1 plus h2. Yes. Say this is h1, this is h2. 2.8 meter. This is h2. Now substitute the values. Radius is 10. Given measurements, diameter 20, radius is 10. Substitute the values. Pi 22/7, R 10 into 10, H1 280 centimeter plus 42. 40. I am converting meters into centimeters. 280 centimeter. Now, pi value not given, we have to use this one. Now, 22 into 100. 2200/7 into 2, 8, 4, 12, 322. cm cube. It is not divisible by, is it divisible? 7 4s are 7 5s are not divisible. 7 4s are 48. 28. Okay. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. 4 2 is there. 7 6s are. Now multiply. 46 is multiplied by 22. 6 are 12. 8 1 9. 2 9. 2 1 0. 1012 cm cube. 2 zeros. cm cube. This is the volume of this solid pillar, and he is asking weight of the pillar, weight of the pillar, weight of the pillar, weight of the iron pillar. Iron pillar is equal to into 7.5 grams. 7.5 grams. 7.5 is nothing but, let us convert it to fraction for easy calculation by 10, 15 5s are, no, 5 15s are, 5 2s are. Into 15/2 fraction. 15/2 multiplied. 1012 is multiplied by 7.5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 1 6. 5 0 0. 5 1s are 5. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 1 8, 0 7. So 0 0 9 5 7, and 2 more zeros here. 0 10. Decimals are this one cancel, and grams, these much grams. Now see multiplication, multiply, go on the first side, 693 grams, kgs. Calculations once again, pi 22/7, or 10 into 10, H1 280 plus 40, 280 plus 42, 12, 322, 322, yes, 322. 7 4s are 28, 4 remains, 4 6s are 46 into 22, 2 6s are 12, 8 1 9, 2, 11 10 into 7.5. 15/2. 10 12 is multiplied by 15/2. 1 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 six are, 15 six are 90, 7 90, 75 90. But given is 693 kg. So we are getting this much according to this problem. So 759 decimal 30 grams. So kg, 759 kg. Here grams are kgs. Once again you check the multiplications. Second question. This is first question. First question, page number 264. Okay. Note down. If any multiplication is go wrong, product, finding product, you please rectify. Second question, I will read first. A tie is made in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by right pole, whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 7 and volume is 3/2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. Here weight of the iron is equal to weight volume into density. Write this formula also. Volume of the volume into density. Volume is this much cm3 and density given in the problem. Okay. 10.2 second question. Second question. Now check the product multiplication. Now second question, a hemisphere, a toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Surmounted by a cone. Okay, this is hemisphere. Cone. Height. And the radius of the cone. Radius of the cone is 7 centimeters. Radius is 7. Here R is the radius of the hemisphere also 7 centimeters. And volume of the radius of the base centimeter and its volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. The radius of the base cone and its volume is 3/2. Volume of the cone is equal to 3/2 times of 3/2 times of volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere given. Hemisphere given. Times volume of the sphere. Volume of the hemisphere. Okay. Now see, write the formula. Volume of the cone is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to 3 by 2 times volume of hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of the sphere, and 2 by 3 what is the volume of the hemisphere, half. Now substitute the values. 22 by 7, radius is 7 into 7, h we have to calculate. We have to calculate h. 3 by 2 times the volume of hemisphere. 22 by 7 r cube. 7 into 7. See here, both sides pi cancel. 2 7s are there, we can cancel by dividing both sides by 7, and we have here h, and we have here 3 cancel, 7 also, 2 also cancel, only 7. 7 is left in the right side. 7 is left in the right side, only h is in the left side. Therefore, h is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cone is 7 centimeters. Not wrong. Read the problem twice. Draw the diagram and label the dimensions. Then substitute in the formula. After finding this, h is height of the cone is 7. Now he is asking surface area of the cone. Calculate the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. Yes, we have to find the surface area. Surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of cone, CSA of the cone plus CSA of the hemisphere, CSA of the hemisphere. Yes. CSA of the cone pi r l and the hemisphere 2 pi r square. Here take pi r common. Here l remains. Pi r taking common, 2r remains. And here we have to find slant height of the cone. Slant height l square is equal to r square plus h square. R square is 7 square, h also 7 square, 49 plus 49. This is 98. Therefore, L is equal to under root 98. This can be written as 49 into 2. This is 7 root 2. L is 7 root 2 centimeters. Sub 22 by 7. L is 7 root 2. R is 7. L is 7 root 2 plus 2R. 2 into R, 40. Here 7 cancel. 22 remains. And 7 root 2 value we know 1.414. 1.414 into 7. Multiply. 7 4s are 28. Uh, 7 4 are 28, 7 1 7 9, 7 4 are 28, 9. So decimal 3. 28, 7 1 are 7 plus 2. 9, 7 4 are 28, 9. 9.89 898 plus 14. So add 14 हम integer whole number 22 into 23.898 cm cube. Again, sorry, area cm square. Now multiply again. All multiplications 23.898 into 20. 2 8s are 16, 18 1 19, 16 1 17, 7 4. Again 6 9 7 7 4. So 6 15 and 17, 8 7 15, 8 4 12, 5. Decimals 3. Decimals 525.756 cm square. If any, if you multiply yourself and check the answers. 795 given. All different answers are coming. Once again you check. Some textbook answers also given wrong. So you check. By R is given 7. L value 7 root 2 plus 14 to R. By R taking common, R remains 2 R. R to R 14. Okay. Find the volume of the height of the circular cone that can be cut out from a cube of impulse. Page 7. Third problem. I want to explain this. So please once again check the products. All calculations are there. So please once again check. Figure and formula are correct. Read the problem twice, thrice, then substitute the values, write the formula and substitute the values. Okay. Third problem, circular cone that can be cut out of a cube. So first you draw a cube. Third problem, you draw third problem cube. Yes, this is cube. This is the cube. Okay. Now, from this circular cone, side given 7 centimeters, we cut hole 7 centimeters. Hole, draw hole like this. So this is cone. Cone is cut out from the cube. Like this. See, find the volume of the largest circular cone that can be cut out. Simply we have to find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube. volume of the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Here diameter of the cone is 7 centimeters and radius is 7 by 2 centimeters. Substitute the values. 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 and radius 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 and height also 7. Side of the cube is equal to height of the cone. Here cancel 7 7 to 1 to 11 and 49 is divided by 6 and into 11. 49 into 11. 11 9 is 99, 44. 9 4 30. 539 is divided by 6. 6 8 48. 59. 6 9 54. 5 0 and 6 8 48. 2 0. 6 3 8. 89.83. This is 89.83 cm cube. This is the volume of cone. Volume of the cone. This is easy. Note down and please do practice all problems again.